Hello and welcome to this video about using AI for market research. And in this video we are using lindy.ai, and there's a template for creating a marketing focus group, and it starts by adding a message where you define what you want to learn from the focus group. Once that's done, this information is sent to a character or a persona that's defined in advance. For example, this is Johnny. He's smart. He works as an employee at the startups and also has some great insights. So obviously you can adjust this based on your market. The second participant is also a 30-year-old solopreneur and a tinkerer. So that's why it's called Tinkerer Tommy. And finally, we have the third persona, which is a 45-year-old experienced professional and marketing director for a mid-sized company. So the goal here is to get different perspectives. And then we see that the AI is going to iterate 3 times. So after the first round of replies, the AI is going to summarize what's being said and run it the second time. And then we get a summary again, and it's going to run it for a third time. And once that has been done, it will check if we have a mutual agreement or not. And if that's not the case, it might iterate a little more. And then we will get a conclusion and a final marketing copy. So let's give it a try. So what we want to check in this focus group is if we can find a better marketing for SpaceX than mentioning that Mars can become a habitable planet. So let's see what we get. Let's make Mars a habitable planet. And let's see what this focus group thinks about that. Okay, so this has been saved, so we can do a test run now to see what happens. Okay, okay, you can obviously add more conversion starters. So I actually started the system now, and let's see what we got here. Maybe you have to edit the second time. Okay, it's not starting yet, so okay, there it goes. Took some time to get started because it needs to come up with answers, and as you can see, the iteration cycle has started. Okay, so Johnny has come up with an ID. It's also ranking his excitement and confusion level. And as you can see, it's iterating here. Tinker Tom is now checking. So you can get a transcript of everything that's being said. So there's quite a lot of data coming out here. Okay, we completed 3 iterations. Do we have a mutual agreement? Okay, let's see what's the conclusion. And as you can see here in the left bottom corner, we use credits while doing this. So it's important that we don't use too many of them. So you can make sure that there are filters along the way to avoid using a lot of expensive credits. But so far we're still on track. Let's see what's happening now. There might be another iteration because there's no alignment. So let's see what's, oh yeah, perfect. We have refined the marketing content. So let's see what we come up with. The final version includes, okay, special, okay, perfect. Both Tinker Tom and Savisara have given a perfect score, wow. So let's see what the conclusion is. From a marketing perspective. Okay. Proper risk disclosures. Step-by-step roadmap. Okay. So there's a lot of things going on here. Okay, grasp the scope, timeline, opportunity. So it's going really in depth about this Mars colony. And there's even a call to action here: secure your place in humanity's next chapter. Visit the website to explore investment options or whatever. Obviously, this is just fictional, so the AI is just coming up with ideas, so it's not a real opportunity so far. Even the website is not working, so it's just a random thoughts from the AI. So obviously not investment advice, but they have some marketing messages, as you can see. So they are coming up with an in-depth idea of what's possible there. I might have refined the prompt a little more, because obviously it's going into the direction of setting up a business plan around it. I could have said it's more towards making more habitual. Okay. So yeah, obviously the prompt you create is very important. But as you can see, using these different avatars allows you to come up with news ideas. You get a long list of objections and new insights. And based on the iterations, it can result in a lot of cool stuff. You can add more steps or more personas or adjust them. For example, if you want to have someone who hates on space exploration, you can add that person as well. So all of these can impact the outcomes. So I think lindy.ai can be really cool exploration tool. So in the first phase of your market research, it can help you to refine ideas and see what's possible with this synthetic data. And once that's been done, you can move over to real market research. So I think it's great to start out the market research process, but might be less useful later on when you have more real data. So thank you for checking this video about using AI for market research and focus groups in particular. Have a wonderful day ahead, and please like this video.